Perched on the rugged cliffs of Cape Town, South Africa lies an unparalleled masterpiece, the Ocean View Castle. This architectural marvel is not just a house, but a grand spectacle, boasting floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the blues of the Atlantic Ocean. Inside, you are welcomed with state-of-the-art design, featuring a sprawling infinity pool that blends seamlessly into the horizon, and lush gardens that make you feel like you're on a continuous vacation. The crown jewel? A $30 million price tag ensures exclusivity, making it a dream abode for those who crave luxury with an authentic connection to nature. Truly the epitome of lavish seaside living, it provides a glimpse into what life is like in the lap of luxury, mixing oceanside serenity with modern elegance.